Well, hello everyone, and welcome back. It is Monday, March the 3rd, 2025, and I haven't. Last week was pretty slow, so I didn't do. I think I did one at the beginning of the week, and so it was pretty slow. Things were kind of moving down, and but usually when that happens, that means that when things do hit a good support area, you can get a really great trade. And there were plenty of opportunities yesterday. And this is why I always say put alerts on those major support areas so that you don't have to be staring at the screen, but you can hear when they pop off, and then you can see if it's a good opportunity for you to jump in. And so that's what I want to talk about today, like the opportunities that were there. And I had actually talked about the one on XRP, Bitcoin, and even like Swiftcoin. So this is XRP, and if you look at the daily chart, remember I had the major blue and as a diagonal parallel support area, and I created that green horizontal support based off of previous support areas. So it hit that support area on this weekend, and yesterday it went off, the alert went off. And if you let's go to a little bit lower time frame, if you were able to get in, even on the 4 hour, right? So I draw this little box when it hits a certain area just to see if we're gonna bounce upward or if we're gonna come out of here. So as you see, we were bouncing upward, and the resistance was this support area, right? Resistance area here at 227 on the fib for the whole chart, and it was definitely over a 30% gain in one day, right? So from above here, I had hoped it would pass here, but I think I got out right below there. So which was almost 40%. So I think Solana had a good run as well. So now I'm just kind of tracking it, going up here and seeing if it's gonna come. I'm hoping that it can come down to this minor like parallel trend line that I have here that's going diagonal and hit this 50% support. So I'm just kind of tracking its progress as it's dropping down, and probably can get another. If it can do that, you're looking at potentially at least, if it goes back to 100%, 22, if it can make it up to this major resistance, you're looking at another 34%, right? So that's for XRP. Let's look at Bitcoin. So once again, the same scenario. I have, like those, and make the blue a little bit darker. The blue area, which is that blue, that lower support diagonal triangle, not triangle, parallel support, right? It hit it right here. I also had the horizontal support area marked out, and all you had to do was just go a little bit above there, and easily could have got off of Bitcoin about 14%. But that was all in one day, and it didn't take long for it to do it either. All right, so I do want to go over Solana because Solana had a good day yesterday as well. Um, and it had bypassed this blue. I had did two lower parallel supports in blue. This one, it had fell out of that one, and then I had this support horizontal drawn out based off a previous demand area, and then I have this second blue parallel trend line. So it hit this one, and right here bounced off, and could have at least got 28 or almost 30%, right? So yesterday was a really good day. So that's why I say, like, 5% per day is the goal, but it may not happen until one day at the end of the week. Like, you can get your whole week's worth in one day. So that is pretty much it. So now I'm just keeping alerts of things kind of falling back down, hitting another support level.